Hey guys, I'm back in the video. I'm outside walking my dog. Right. Oh, I'm with my grandma walking our dog. What's she doing, you creeper? I'm kind of scared because there's been cougar sightings. So I'm scared to be out here outside in the wilderness. Outside in the wilderness. It's Choopy! 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 Here, give me. I want to
Trail. Look at that.
sniffing something out. Should have brought the light. What is it, Judy? Something over here. Look at the scratch marks on this, Grammy.
Yeah.
Those are nail marks. Like, look at that. Spooky. It's on that tree too. Probably raccoons and stuff in there. What's that? Chewy, what is it? Look at those kids over there. Oh. Boyfriend? Oh my god. There's anything going under there. Boyfriend is Chewy's dog friend. It's Chewy's boyfriend. It's our dog's boyfriend. I don't want to go over there. It's cold. So, that's what I'm doing. Just outside walking my dog. With my grandma. Out by the road. It's on the trail of the animal. I smell cigarettes. Do you smell cigarettes?
Yes, I do actually.
It's them.
Yeah, probably. Forestry department smoking. Imagine that.
Yeah. Ow. Oh god, drip on. Water drip on you guys. I just walked one way and now you guys walking another way. Where's she going? Wait, there might be some saddies under here. Oh, is that a spider? It's not. Oh, nope, no saddies. No, it's fine. Chewy. Might be an alligator lizard over here. There. By the road. By the road again. Here's a bag. I might have a dead animal in it.
Honey, don't touch stuff like that. You never know.
Oh, it might have a dead animal in it because it's right by the road. She's eating poop.
Chewy.
Oh,
No.
she's eating grass.
Come on.
Boyfriend. Dude. What? What is it? A bone. See, there's probably dead animals.
Something that's chewed on a bone. Look at it. That come off of.
Chewy, quit eating grass. Told you there's dead animals. Bone. Here, do a comparison around by your hand. That's a big bone. Tell us in the comments down below what kind of bone this is. There's like, it's like a femur. Is that a femur?
Hollow.
Yeah, it's hollow. See? Is this a femur? It has its knobs on it.
Oh, no. That's the knuckle or the joint. Could be an arm bone, a leg bone.
It smells like smoke. Take this. Oh! I just found a hole.
Leaves are slippery wet.
Oh, oh. Looks like I'm licking it. Look, watch.
Ooh.
I'm not licking it though. That'd be disgusting. It stinks like rotten poop.
Looks like there's some meat on it.
No.
Bone marrow.
Oh, there is. No, it's just leaves and stuff.
Oh, that's a leaf.
Yeah. Look at all the holes in it. Why do the bones have air bubbles in it?
Oh,
Look. See all those holes? Like air bubbles. Look. Is that where Mare goes?
Oh, probably bone marrow.
That's pretty old. It smells like what did say it smells like poop, but it smells like a fish tank. After a while. No, remember it smells like Adley. How does
Oh,
Adley?
actually,
No, Adley.
algae?
Yeah.
Algae.
It sounds like that. I can't say Adley. Algae.
Just
Algae. It smells like algae. I can't say it. It sounds like I'm saying algae. Algae. Don't go over because it's female.
It's okay, how many females are there? What is it,
Might be a cougar, I told you. It probably smells like a cougar, like I told you. What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Okay guys, that's it for this video. See you guys next time. Get 10 likes. Trying to hit 10 likes per video. So subscribe, hit the bell button down below, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and hit the like button. Peace out, guys.